Even me, I have the answer to that one. I'm not normal. Nothing in Nigeria is normal. If I'm normal, cannot work again.
No, okay, so what will work now? What will
Abnormal.
Okay, so I haven't been in the industry for this long. How does this make you? The fact that you're still here today, people still hear the name Claim the Drum and they still clap, they still react to you, just like they did those years ago. How does that make you feel?
In fact, I'm even feeling better now than them because for the fact that I can come to the newsroom like this and back the people and they are there pressing computer, not minding whether I'll mess or not. Believe me, it's a big. Do you know what it feels like? You that is asking this question, come here and back these people and know whether you continue working here with them or they will continue working here with you. It's not a small thing. Do you people know I can mess? Do you know? And you're wearing earpiece so you don't hear the sound. Which one are you afraid of, the sound or the smell? My brother, get your priorities straight. Who employed you here? What was the other question? Sorry.
Okay, so will we be right to call you a comedian, an actor, an entertainer, and a part-time singer?
Part-time. Well, anything you want to call me, you can call me. You can even call me an idiot. So far as you pay. Once you call me idiot, you drop cash, I'll give you my account number. Anything you want to call me, call me. Me, all I know is that whatever I'm doing is helping me in my life. As in, at least I can pay school fees of 3 people. That is an achievement.
Okay, you just came back from London.
I noticed.
You just came back from London, and you've been going for a long time now. You've been coming and going.
I don't, this statement you're making is it's very personal. Don't say it in front of people. You've been going and coming. Are you telling people about how I come? I mean, how I'm coming.
Okay, you've been arriving.
It's even worse that way. Please, can you say this question in a way that Nigerians will understand?
Okay, you have been traveling to London.
Just say it like your grandmother tells you, you've been traveling up and down. Because you take a aeroplane and go up and then we land down, up and down. Even though up and down is the movement for you to still arrive.
Okay, Clint, you'll be going up and down.
Thank you.
And as per, let's do the ball for you.
You're now speaking pidgin. I made someone in this company to be asking questions in pidgin. Oh my God, where's the editor-in-chief? Honestly, I need a job near. My brother, we've been talking all this. You have not laughed. It's like that mama pudding open today. I'm blaming you for so many things happening here today. And you're wearing legit.com. Were you not legit? Okay, it's NG.
Yes, it's
That means Ngozi works here.
No, Ngozi doesn't work here.
But NG is the short form for Ngozi.
No. It's the short form for Nigerian Governmental Internet Estate. So it doesn't really
NG is short form for Nigeria Governmental Internet Estate. Where is the IT or IA or industrial area?
It's coming.
Can you are coming in this interview?
Is this how you are on a normal day?
Is this how you question on a normal day? Before you ask me a question, ask yourself. Because if you want to remove a log in my eye, think whether you are even blind or you are deaf and dumb.
But I'm not blind, I can see.
You can see what? You are not even seeing the fact that this interview is you now that is answering yourself questions and not me. Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, he has his hand on his waist. He's wondering, why did I call this guy to this place? He's asking himself, what kind of life am I living?
I'm living a good life, viewers. Everybody, I'm living a very good life.
How can they tell when you're behind the camera? Come, let them see you. And let them be the judge. You don't judge yourself. The Bible says thou shalt not judge. And you're wearing judge as boxers.
That's not true. I'm appropriately
He's
dressed.
moved to come out in front of this.
I'm appropriately dressed.
Ladies and gentlemen, they are putting fan to cool me down. No weapon fashioned against me shall prosper.
You've not answered any of our questions.
That's the idea.
No. This is an interview. You must answer each question.
Wait.
Give it to you.
This is a normal interview.
Not really.
Do I look normal?
If you ask at home, the question is for you.
Even me, I have the answer to that one. I'm not normal. Nothing in Nigeria is normal. If I'm normal, cannot work again.
No, okay, so what will work now? What will
Abnormal. Abnormal works. That is why Nigeria is now moving from one angle to another.
So, Cliff, is that why you gave the
You have more value. In fact, the richest living thing in Nigeria is an animal. Snake, swallow 36 million. That's the richest snake in the world. Guinness Book of Records. And you cannot drink the Guinness.
Clint, so if you think abnormal thing is wrong, is that why you gave the vice president 5,000 naira?
Yes.
So have you read from that offering?
Please, do you have his phone number? Because I don't.
You don't have his phone number?
I need to see him again.
No, you need to see him again?
Yes.
But what led you to do such a thing?
My hands and my legs. My hand put itself in my pocket, brought out the 5,000, and my leg walked over. That's what led me.
That's what led you.
And my brain, which is abnormal.
Have you met the vice president system?
No. That's why I'm asking you, do you know where he is? I want to go and collect my money back.
Why?
I gave him something to give for me. He needs to give me back. Did I dash him? I told him it was something else, and he thought it was another thing. So now I just want to go and clarify him. Okay.
So, Clint, if you are the president of this country at the moment, what are the things you do?
First thing I'll do is very simple. I'll make sure that light will be steady everywhere in the country.
So
that is number one thing. Forget roads and the rest. If light is steady, then we face. That's the problem in Nigeria, is that we don't want to face one thing at a time. We want to face everything.
What kind of light?
The light power. Do you think it's candle light? I know you like candle. I'm talking about electricity. It will be steady in Nigeria, and it's very simple to do.
Okay, how? Explain to us the process involved in generating electricity.
It's very simple. Ban generator from everywhere. From Aso Rock to the last person. Ban generator. Level everywhere. Believe me. Those people that were sabotaging the light, making sure that it doesn't work, so that they will be importing generator. When heat do them 2 days, all the meat they will be eating will only be kilishi. Because that's the only one that you don't have to put in fridge. When everything's spoiling, everybody's fridge once. In fact, we will beg ourselves to go and reconnect light the normal way. I'm telling you the fact. When you think about it, it sounds funny. Ban generator. In fact, in Aso Rock, when heat do them, only them will go and make sure everywhere there's light everywhere.
Okay, so after you get light working everywhere, what's the next thing?
Road. Yes, because lights on will make almost everything in Nigeria. The price will come down because you are no more adding diesel and generator fuel money to almost anything we're producing. Now, road, to connect anything you're producing, to move it from one junction to another junction. Do the road and add alternative means of transportation. Thank you. That's what you said. So that people can easily move from one place to another. When you put that thing in order, to your greatest surprise, just these two, after 8 years, people will still want you to continue.
Okay, so what's the last thing you now do?
The last thing I'll do?
Yes, you said electricity, you said road.
Then I will make sure that our educational system, you see me raising my leg when I'm talking about it, our educational system will start working very well, so that we can produce people that can come out and actually lead. Do you know, entertainment industry in Nigeria is so strong, to the extent that people in government is coming to join entertainment, not entertainment joining the government. It's wonderful. Honestly, that's to show you Nigerians we are trying. We are trying. Yeah, trying. We are trying. Because We have government people now singing songs from Oh My Home and the other songs that they have released before, and to the ones that will dance it. Do you know if you gather them, we have a music group.
Okay.
The singer, the dancer, musicians, all of them. From government to, and they call us riffraff. May we riffraff their life into us and collect part of their money. No, Instagram at Clint That Drunk. Clint with K-L-I-N-T D-R-U-N-K D-A-D-R-U-N-K. On Twitter, I am Clint the Drunk. At I am Clint That Drunk. And then on what again? I'm in all of them. I'm even on Badu. I'm even on what do you call them? Facebook. I have Clint That Drunk as my Facebook page. Just Clint That Drunk Facebook page. Then Clint That Drunk comedian. You see, it took him time to pass. You see, that is the person. Finally, have you people seen that? I'm not lying. I'm not lying. For a man like this, grown man, somebody's father, to come out here, you know, you see he's around. I'm looking very permeable, and he's looking like the membrane.
The interview is over.
What you? No need. The microphone is with me. They'll hear me louder than you.
Off the mic.
For someone like this, not to have hair up here,
Off the mic.
and all your hair is growing down here. Only God knows what your local government will be like. You're like a forest and irrigation. Your life is finished. Your life on social welfare network. Where are we?
Ladies and gentlemen, Clint the Drunk, please. A big round of applause. And we just have to, you know what I mean?